This is Short Bible Stories, where ancient words come alive. In just a few minutes, journey through powerful moments of faith, courage, and redemption. The Bible, one short story at a time. In this epic journey, we delve into the ancient story of Moses and his astonishing crossing of the Red Sea, a tale deeply rooted in history, faith, and miracles. Imagine this scene vividly brought to life through the most detailed graphics and artwork imaginable. Our story begins in ancient Egypt, where the Israelites had been held captive for generations. Under the cruel hand of Pharaoh, their cries for freedom echoed throughout the land. It was then that Moses, chosen by God, stepped forward to lead the Israelites to freedom. Picture Moses, a figure of unwavering faith, standing before Pharaoh, demanding the release of his people. As Pharaoh's heart hardened, Egypt was plagued with divine wrath. Water turned to blood, frogs, locusts, darkness. Finally, the death of the firstborn broke Pharaoh's resolve. He reluctantly allowed the Israelites to go. Now visualize the Israelites' departure, a grand exodus of men, women, and children, laden with hastily gathered belongings, moving swiftly toward the promised land. Behind them, the Egyptian army, realizing their loss, pursued them relentlessly. Soon, the Israelites found themselves trapped, the Red Sea before them and their captors closing in. In a moment of sheer despair, they turned to Moses. Here, witness a moment of sublime faith as Moses raised his staff over the waters. The sea, in an awe-inspiring display of divine power, parted. Towering walls of water rose on either side, revealing a path of liberation. Led by Moses, the Israelites crossed on dry ground, their hearts racing with a mix of fear and hope. Feel the tension as the Egyptian chariots charged, determined to recapture the fleeing slaves. But once the last Israelite reached safety, the walls of water, with an overwhelming force, crashed down upon the pursuing army. In this miraculous moment, the Israelites, having witnessed the undeniable power of their God, erupted in celebration, their shouts of joy echoing across the desert sands. Their journey of hardship had forged an enduring covenant with the divine, a testament to faith and deliverance. This crossing wasn't just a physical passage, but a transformation of a people, destined for a land of promise, forever changed by the divine spectacle they had witnessed. We conclude our story with Moses overlooking the dawn of a new beginning, a leader who defied the impossible by the grace of the Almighty. If you would like to read this story on your own, then please read Exodus chapter 5 through chapter 20. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share this story of faith. More biblical moments coming soon.